first rates. We are starting a brand new day with flat rates. Nobody's expecting anything large or big. Like I've been saying, that's a complete time pass market if you're looking at the market from the view of Nifty. Bajaj Auto, and look at the reaction here. Numbers are not that howling, but the market reaction in the stock, which has seen a 70% run up, is now nasty. This is a sign of weakness when markets overreact to bad news and they just ignore good news. For example, HCL Tech, there was no reaction. Bajaj Auto, there is a meaningful reaction, but that's also because of the recent run up in some of the prices. L&T Tech down, and Infosys is up by about 3.5%. So the breadth is okay. The market are trading with a positive bias, and if one really looks at how the tone and the tonality of individual stocks is there, they're simply reacting, or in case of Bajaj Auto, overreacting to bad news.
Oh yeah, Bajaj Auto, given that it was actually an inline set, so wasn't all that bad. But yeah, Bajaj Auto has already had an excellent year behind it, has been the top draw within the entire two-wheeler pack. So kind of a sell-on news kind of move. What about LTTS, considering they actually missed their margins but maintained the guidance? LTTS will just come up for you on your screens. For Infosys as well, it was a deal win-miss as per what the street was penciling in. So Infosys as well as the other stock, which will come up for you on your screens next. For SRF, of course, it's a significant downgrade now to sell from the earlier buy from the house of UBS. They've cut the target price now to 2100, almost headed in for a 3% decline. That's SRF in trade for you. For Infosys, of course, the street is, reading positively into that deal win miss though. 4% higher, was that the price on the stock? Yeah, 4.25% higher on Infosys as we speak right now. Nalco Hindalco, given that Alcoa spiked about 10% post its good numbers, those stocks as well rubbing off and taking cues from that. Reliance Industries, let's see what that stock is up to. Trent, M&M, these have been some of the movers and big ones on that actually causing the swing in the market. Reliance still holds up. Trent, after that near 4% fall, falls another nearly 1% in trade. And even M&M, which fell about over 2.5%, at least in the futures, falls another nearly 2%. It's on its way to breach that 3,000 print once again in trade. A bunch of other names actually which are on our radar this morning, and there's of course Cochin Shipyard as well. Let's see what that stock is up to. Now they're looking to exercise that oversubscription option to take the OFS size to 5%. Cochin Shipyard 1.5% lower on that stock. For Colte Patil, the second quarter volumes have seen an uptick of 5%. Sales value has risen about 22%. It's a gap up move for Colte Patil, 8% higher for that stock roughly. RailTel, they've bagged another work order, about 87 odd crore rupees. GMR Airports, the September passenger traffic has been quite strong, an uptick of about almost 9%. The aircraft movement as well has seen a rise of about almost 8% on a year-on-year basis. Not much enthusiasm on that stock, not much enthusiasm for the index as well. In fact, it's as flat can get. Just absolutely a negligible move, at least on the index. But yeah, a lot of other stocks here and there. But Naresh, what are the first trades that you're punching in?
So looking at a buy on ILIC Housing Finance, the stock is available at the lower end of the trading range. 620, 625 looks like a good entry point.
Well, all right, let's take a conversation.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.
Hyundai Motor India Limited now proposes an initial public offering of its equity shares. The 100% book built offer is being offered at a price band of Rs 1,865 to Rs 1,960 per equity share of face value of Rs 10 each. The anchor investor offer period opens and closes on Monday, October 14th, 2024. Offer opens on Tuesday, October 15th, 2024. Offer closes on Thursday, October 17th, 2024. For risk involved and other details, please refer to the red herring prospectus, which is available on the website of the company, SEBI, BRLMs and the stock exchanges.